Hi guys, Tyke here, back with another video. Shh. Hi guys, Tyke here, back with another video, and that's Arlo's hand. Move your hand. Are you gonna sit down beside me? No, give me my phone back. I'm gonna have to film. He's gonna have to film vlogways. Hold on, Arlo's sitting on my 2 cards. Yeah, these are the cards I got before I filmed any of the videos. Is that gonna do? Hold on. It's kind of hard to film with Arlo in here. And we have John Schmidt. Alright, I'm just gonna grab another card here. Stop being annoying, okay, Arlo? I'm just gonna sit with this up here. Oh, good. I thought we were Gucci in the Louis store. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Oh no! Let me find somewhere else I can sit. And I'm back. I have you guys in another position. Hold on, let me go get my cards. Arlo, give me my cards back. Oh, I have my cards all over the place. Oh, Arlo, you don't be bold, okay? Can you sit there for a good boy? Be a good boy. Wait, did I pause? I don't think I paused yet. 2 seconds. I'm just collecting my cards. Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Give me them. Come on. Arlo! Yeah, leave them there. I'm collecting the last few cards. Can I have them? Thank you.
Okay.
These be arms. Got it. Alright. Sorry about that. So, yeah, it's my collection so far. Just check and see if Arlo had any more. I might have to go down a little bit. Seeing if Arlo had any more. So, it's my collection so far. And on to the next pack. Oh god. Oh yeah, I found a tact if you just pull this tab right here. It should peel all the way down. I don't think it works when you do it a second time, but here. So we have Shiny Hulk.
Huh?
Pretty nice car. That's Arlo making noise in the background, by the way. Oh, we got 2 in a row. Mantis. I think this is gonna be all characters, this one. Hawkeye. We already have a Hawkeye, but that one's different. Peggy Carter's pistol. Oh, that's a weapon. Oh, I thought it was all stuff. Oh, the screen's going dark. God dang, I think I'm on low battery. I'm 5%, so I gotta do this quickly. We have Nebula. Hold on a sec. Got it. And we have, you can hardly see this, can you? Nebula. Can't really see them anymore, so I might just have to go fast. Go fast. We have Cronin Stoneman. I think this content might be alright for you, but I do not know at all because my screen is dark. That cube thing. T'Challa, that's Spanish name. Ali, Black Widow and Nick Fury. And we have Red Skull. Oh god, Arlo, stop tickling me. I gotta get this video done in like 5 minutes. Ugh. Hogun, Poe gun. New Avengers facility. Quinjet. I'm going through these kind of fast because my phone's nearly dead. Iron Man. Yondu. Crap card. Come on. I think we might get this done. And we just might pull it off. Hydra Exo Soldier. Hydro Cannon. Another Hulk. Star-Lord and Ego. And Black Panther. I already have a Black Panther though. Oh, one pack left after this one, guys. We're nearly through them all. Oh yeah, and if you don't remember from the next video, Christmas haul coming tomorrow. Doctor Strange. It's really strange. Malek's Key. And we have another Quinjet. We have Star-Lord. And we have... I already have both them Star-Lords. Come on, last one. Come on. Villain. Oh, Ultron. Pretty cool villain. Here we have Korath's Blaster. We have Mordo. We have Gamora and Star-Lord. And we have Shiny Iron Man. Alright guys, that is all I have time for today. Literally because my phone's about to die. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.